Carl Pays Nothing reportedly plans to launch a smartphone by next month. He didn't talk to me about that. Where you at, Carl?
What? That's quick.
Let me know if you want to let me know what's going on.
Didn't that guy just release the headphones?
He released the headphones. The guy.
That guy?
The guy.
Vigilante.
The guy, he released the headphones.
They say he's a vigilante.
He showed off a prototype this week at MWC. I missed this story, Will. You got to fill me in.
Yeah. I mean, he kind of had a prototype just to show off.
Is it transparent?
But he doesn't have a picture for us?
is.
He has a picture for us?
I want to see
No,
it
there's-
transparent.
Oh.
I don't think there's a picture. It's
No,
a prototype.
The consumer tech brand
There's
led
no
by
tease.
OnePlus co-founder Carl Pei is planning to launch a debut smartphone by next month, according to a report from TechCrunch. The company reportedly been working on the phone for over a year, and Pei is said to have shown off a prototype to executives from companies including Qualcomm at this week's Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. An April launch would come a little under a year after the company releases its debut product, the Ear One earbuds. I have to assume, I'm not surprised by this. I have to assume this was in the plans. You start with a simpler product like some earbuds, but they have been talking a big game from the jump.
Yeah.
His entire history is in smartphones
Yeah.
over at OnePlus.
What do you think if you had to guess?
It's a transparent smartphone.
What's the demographic? Are we looking at like a flagship killer? Because he was kind of famous for that.
No,
with OnePlus.
because if you look at the buds, what was the price on the buds? Can somebody? It wasn't AirPods.
I think it was
price.
99 USD.
It wasn't quite AirPods price.
I don't remember, but I'm gonna guess 99 USD.
Well, we'll find out in a second here.
Because Carl was doing OnePlus when they were the flagship. killer phone, right?
129.
Oh,
129.
that's Canadian.
I don't know. I feel like
US.
he does a phone. He's
Oh,
got.
no, Canadian.
Yeah, so it's 99 USD.
Yeah, he does a phone. He got to be like 599,
599,
699 max.
699.
He goes 1,000, and everyone's like, "Well, it's too hard, man. His stuff is too good in that range."
Yeah.
We'll see what he does. I don't know. Maybe he'll hit me up, or then I'll just leak all the details on this show. I just told him I was going to do that, so he would be a part of that. Maybe he can come on the show, Will. Let's get him on the show. Show his prototype.
Okay.
Okay, good.